In this video, I will show you how to get unlimited clients with Slack. So I've created a Slack automation that will automatically do cold outreach to your ideal audience, 100% automatically. And on the end of the video, I will share it with you for free, 100%. Just to show you, I have just let this run for a couple days and my inbox is full with unlimited hours. It just says like 99 plus messages. I will share with you the automation 100% for free. But first, let me get it to you straight what this opportunity is about. AI cold outreach automations. So you probably have a business, you probably have a solution. It can be link building, it can be video creation, it can be SEO optimization, it can be a plumber, it can be anything. And you have many clients with problems who have money and who are willing to pay the money to get a solution. But the only problem right now is, if you're a business and you're starting out, you don't have a lot of money. So you yourself, you cannot do advertising, you cannot hire a salesperson to do the sales for you. And you also don't have a lot of time because you have so much work creating your business. What is the solution? AI cold outreach automation. It is 100% free, thanks to the videos I will share with you guys. And you can do it in a mass amount. So what you can do is all these clients, all these people, they're all findable. They're findable on Google Maps, on LinkedIn, on Slack, on Discord, on School, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook. You have unlimited amounts of places where you can find these people. And what the AI cold outreach just will do, like you saw in the Slack video, it will automatically send to your target audience, 100% automated. It will try to introduce them to your solution. It will write a nice copy that you can guide it with. And then these clients will be like, wow, finally someone came to me with a solution for my problem I already had all this time. Thank you so much, here is my money. And you provide the solution, business is made, and if you're a little bit lucky, they stay clients for a very long time. To do these automations, we will use a tool called ZeroWork. It's a tool where you can automate anything with it. Slack, Facebook, LinkedIn, Discord, any platform, any automated task. Please use the link down below in the description so you can use your free trial. You can also join the Discord community where there are more than 3,000 people sharing their automations every single week, and you can just copy paste them, plug and play like you can do with the Slack automation. After you've clicked start for free and you have installed the Taskbot agent, you can then go in and install the second link below, which is actually the automation. What is very important to let this automation work is first you have to join a Slack group. After you've joined the Slack group, you have to install the cookie editor so that the automation can actually access your login credentials and it can log into the flow. You can put them in if you press on Taskbot. You just put in the cookies. And the other thing to do is every Slack channel has a different code, and this code is the thing that comes right after the client. So you can just copy this code and you can paste this code in the variables here, code. And also you have to write an opening message. That one you also have to write down here. What you want to offer, how do you want to open to them? I would just say something like, hey, hey, nice to meet you. I'm new in Slack. This is what I do. What are you doing? And then try to start an interaction with them, go on meetings with them. So I will just go over the process manually of what this automation does. It goes and opens the Slack channel, then it will go and click on view all people, and then it will actually start scraping all the users. It will just start scraping all the users, and after it scraped all the users, it will just start like, hey, write a new message. It will type in the name, pick someone, it will type in the name, and then it will here start sending a message, and it will send a message. It's just as simple as that, and it will do that in repeats. So you just set it up once, and then you can actually schedule it to run, for example, every single day. And then every single day, the automation will do outreach, will send to people, and you will get replies and possibilities to do business with people. In the automation, I've also put all the steps you have to do down below to let this automation run successfully. One more thing I want to show you is there is one page where you actually have all the Slacks in the world. Not all of them, but there are a lot. So which industry you're in, there are Slacks about that. There are people to reach out to. So you can just choose your industry. For example, marketing. It will go to all the Slack channels. You can just click, like for example, we were working in Growmans. You can just put your email for the Slack here. You will get an invite. You can join the Slack and you can start to automate. Thank you so much for watching this video. If there is any requests, anyone of you likes a special automation or a platform they want to see automated, you can always put a comment down below. You can always subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I wish you a very great day. Bye bye.